What's up, guys? Today we are going to prepare a chicken inasal. So right now I marinated the chicken overnight so that it will absorb all the ingredients. Here are the chickens that I already marinated. The only ingredients are garlic, ginger, and lemongrass. Then you will add, for the liquid ingredients, you will add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. You can add salt, maybe around 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon. It depends on your taste preferences. And 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/2 cup to 1 cup of water. And now I'm marinating the chicken. Now I'm grilling the chicken. Guys, this is the finished product. Sunog. Sorry.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely